Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in the file, open the page and focus on the specific frame you'll edit. First, activate the Move tool or use the Layers panel to identify the target item. This ensures you delete the correct element. Once selected, inspect whether the layer is locked or hidden and unlock or reveal it, otherwise deletion won't work. Make sure you understand whether the item is an instance, a master component, or a simple shape. This distinction changes how deletion affects other assets. Now drill into groups and frames to expose nested elements so you don't accidentally remove surrounding content. If the item is an instance of a component, delete the instance when you want only that copy gone. Delete the master component only if you intend to remove it project-wide. Use Shift-click or Control/CMD-click for additive selection, and use the Layers search or select all with same name to gather similar items. Make sure to review Boolean groups and flattened vectors before committing to deletion. With the correct items selected, press Delete or Backspace, or right-click and choose Delete to remove them. Once done, use Undo with Control or CMD+Z if you deleted something by mistake. Figma preserves history per file session. If you're removing a master component, also clean it from the Assets panel and search other pages for references, since instances can persist elsewhere. Troubleshooting tip: if a layer won't delete, confirm it isn't inside a locked component or part of a team library.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.